Hello everyone. So one of the questions that I get is, okay, you did everything, all this, like how long does it take to export the Revit sample model from start to end? And I don't have an answer because I have never really timed myself from start to end without explaining to someone else how to do it, right? So now I'm going to do that. This video is going to be helpful if you just want to see the process. I'm not going to talk about why I picked this option versus that option. That's other video tutorials that you should watch. This is also helpful if you already know the basics. You can just see how the overall process works. Okay, with that, let's get started. So I have this model, right? I'll go to 3D and then I'll start the process. Then probably we multiply this by 1.2 because I already know this model. It will take you some time to see what's happening in the model, right? So select aperture doors, then select this. We can just select this and that. For doors, I'm going to select this and make it as glass. So okay on both ends. Then I go create rooms. Number, name, next, 3800, 3800, 3800, right? And then I'm going to visualize this, and I am going to place the rooms. One goes here, another one goes here, third one goes here. That's all that I need. Go back here. Export everything. So let's say I don't know about that room 120. Which I do, but to be fair for timing, I don't. So let's visualize it. Oh, there is a room here that should be double. Ceiling, so I can see the name, 120 lounge, number 120, right click, overwrite 7600, and it's top exposed. Let's select everything, do another visualization, that's okay. Oh. So the visualization worked because this thing changed. I need to do another parsing, so I do the whole full reparse. And this is what I want. Looks good. This is just, I just clicked it so that red thing goes away, but I didn't really need it. Next, create a snapshot, entry level, maybe I put 01. So then going back here, second floor plus create for rooms. There's one here. There is one here. That's missing. For some reason, Revit started to be really slow. One here. And one there. So that's all I need for this level. Then I'm going to go ahead and do plus third floor. Similar, one is here, one is here, and another one is here. Okay, I had to pick up a phone call. Now, let's continue. I don't know really why Revit is so slow. So, this is another one. That should be all the rooms. Why I'm not using the automatic one, just I want to be fair, right? Like it might take it slower a little bit. Okay, so I go for second floor. Select everything. Visualize. It looks good. I haven't missed any rooms. No. So let's go next. Zero to floor. That's what it's called. So this is 02. Now let's go for 03. I have already placed the room, so go. Select everything, make them stop exposed. Do a quick preview here. Make sure everything looks good. Look at this. Yeah, we have improved the roofs too, so they're like really nicely solving. I mean, still needs a fix. I'm not supposed to spend time on that, so create a snapshot. 0.3 floor. Save. And finally, I have to create shapes. Okay, so for adding context, let's go here and select all this.
Who are you talking to?
Right click. I'm not talking to anyone, I'm recording a video tutorial. Why? It's like all instances. So now my daughter has questions. Do you want to say hi to everyone?
No, they don't meet me.
Okay, I add these shades, and this is real life.
Wow.
Work from home, so we add that to the timing too. Select all instances, entire project. Add shades from selection, and I'm just adding every single of them. Project. Okay. Add shades from selection, and then select this ones. Plus edges from selection and go here and select this last but not least. From selection, select everything, visualize, create shades, let's call it shades. So, okay, with all the thing it takes 10 minutes, 10:29. So 10 minutes to start editing. Maybe I'll just stop the video here and then come back. Okay, now for the cleanup. Unlike what I actually show in the videos, I would like to clean them up one floor at a time before putting everything on top of each other. I know it might add a little bit more time, but you know, it's just, for larger models this is easier than just putting everything on top of each other. You can't always do that. So let's pull this one to that one. Let's align everything there. 0.4 for here. Let's do this. Oh. Align, run, and for this one I'm going to pull this, that, I'm going to do the same here. And for this I'm going to remove, I'm going to hide roofs. I'm going to select everything, do a quick 3D preview. Okay, this looks as expected. This roof didn't solve as expected. That's fine. So now I'm going to select everything, do solve adjacency, Alt and E. So, okay, that's great. I mean Alt and O for non-orthogonal, but I don't think I have anything non-orthogonal. So I can save this. Now I can import level 2 on top of this. Probably I wanted to do a save as. Okay, now I can use this line. Now I can see really if I want to align. So maybe those rooms are just fine, you know. So I'm going just to align these ones to this line. And then for here, I'm going, maybe I should have not deleted the alignment line. I'm going to align them to this line. Alignment. So now I can go into levels, turn off this. I wish we had a way to turn off this alignment lines without deleting them, but so let's select everything, remove all the holes, then go here and see what happens. So why this didn't align it? Oh, because it was hold down shift and select this. Because it was aligned to the other line, so it ignored this one. Now I see gaps for these rooms, so I should have just aligned everything. Remove, Control A, simplify all this happiness, pull. Now I don't remember. What did I pull? But I think that's what it was. What's up? What? Come here, say hi. My timer is going. No? Okay. In an hour. So let me pull this back. Okay. Select everything. Simplify. Solve adjacency. Alt and E. Okay, that looks good. I didn't need to select everything. This is a new command. I'm getting used to it. And now let's do this and see if I messed up anything. I have this small thing. I have to do an alignment at the end. If you haven't watched the other videos, like this is how I can quickly see them. So anything is smaller than 5 centimeters, show it. So the facade is an issue. Here we have this thing. Here also we have this small misalignments between the floors. But I will solve those after adding everything, because I want to see all the 3 floors together before getting there. So now, going back to snapshots, I'm going to rename this to full model. And let's import the 3rd floor here. So let's go in levels, turn off this and this. Select everything. Remove the small things first. This looks like the lines are almost fully aligned. So let's do the alignment here. Let's do another alignment here. Let's pull that to that. Yes, Hannah. Okay, now I'm being called to play with her. We played today. Okay. What about this? I come back in 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll just play upstairs.
You can play upstairs, yes.
How?
And you should say hi to everyone if you want me to come play with you. No, it's okay.
When can you come play with me?
In 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. I have to finish this in 10 minutes from now. So I think the answer is total about less than 30 minutes. You can clean up the whole thing. Let's see. So I have this. Now let's go make these 2 visible. Right. And then Control A, run this. Anything smaller than 5 centimeters. And this is the part that I knew it will be a problem. So let's do a quick alignment here. Smaller number, 20 centimeters. Do another quick alignment here. 1, one, so that's should be fixed. Here, pick one of these random ones. Okay, so there was another one here. Now this is a tricky one, which line is the best one to pick, but I'm going to pick this. And then align everything here. It should fix the problem there. Delete that, save, Control A, do another round. So, I still have issues. Wait, okay, those are not, I think I meant, so, okay, let's do simplify. Okay, those are all resolved. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, so this is for the facade. That's for the facade. What's going on here? So this is because I didn't use the same alignment line for everything. We do one more alignment here. And these are all barely resolved. The only one then is going to be the ones for the facade. So I do that one last. So I mean 0.2 should have been enough. Select all, delete, Control A, run this command again. Run, so it is all in the corners and yeah. Okay, so what we are going to do here now is delete. Let's select second floor or third floor actually as the base. So I'm going to turn off everything. And if you're hearing some background noise, because exclude holes, run. Because someone decided to jump up and down to get some attention.
I'm jumping up and down.
You're jumping up and down?
Yes.
I think everyone knows you're jumping up and down.
Because I want to like Peppa Pig.
Okay. 0.2 and then snap vertices.
Yes, please.
And run. So that one did all the snap things. Everything looks clean. There's an issue here right here. So I could have seen that if I use Alt and O for orthogonal lines. So that's the one that's not orthogonal because it got all the way there. So you can just align it to this. Now we can technically pull it too, right? Just pull is faster than align. Okay, good. Control A. Find all the gaps.
Can I jump?
Yeah, I can. I mean, you can as long as you're careful.
I am careful.
Okay, then
But
jump.
I can jump forever?
Not forever.
Why?
Because we're going to go play, right? So
I want to play with you,
save
but you
this.
gotta color with me.
Okay, I'm going to color with you. So this is these are the two issues with the windows that I can use the repair command or not simplify window. Do I make them rectangle? No. Not for that one. So let me run this first. Then repair window. Hannah,
What?
Be careful.
I am careful.
Are you sure?
I am!
Okay. Right. So now let's just do this.
I'm going to be a parent on me.
Run this with selling adjacency. And let's do Alt and E. So this is for the first floor. I don't see anything else there. Let's run the validation command again. Everything is valid. And that should do it. So it takes around 23 minutes, including talking to your kids. So let's say 25 minutes.
Don't tell me to stop. I want to jump.
Okay.
You do you like I jump forever.
So, and of course now I can export to any of the file formats that I want, but yeah, that's the basic stuff, so you have seen it tens of times at least if you watched any of our videos. Oh, I didn't add the shades, so let me go add the shades.
Oh, let's get it with my
Import. Here are the shades. You don't see them because show shades.
You know this room. Just leave it here. And then if you see a number,
okay, so that should do it. Valid model from 0 to hero. I see this roof is not. This is because a recent change that we made, and we're just rolling the changes back. So this roof is the thing that will be fine in the version that you're using. But overall, that was it. It's around 25 minutes from start to end. I have done this model several times, so let's say 30-45 minutes. But if you know the model, then that's good. That's pretty good. Hannah, do you want to come say bye to everyone? Or, come. Okay. Okay. She doesn't want to do it. Thank you for watching. And again, we have real tutorials if you want to see all the details. Did you change your mind?
Yes, I
Okay, come here. Come say bye.
want to.
Do you or you don't?
I don't.
No, she doesn't. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I said bye-bye.
Thank you.